Yes, correct.
Yeah, they're not selling their property. The brother gave the contract to this guy. This guy is taking all his sweet time. They're fighting for that. I think now they got two different agents. That the other guy did the papers that if another agent sells, he still gets a cut.
So it's just like a subcontract.
Whatever. So her, she's as Angela said, she still talks. They don't talk. I said they don't talk to each other. Why is she still going on about her brother? Ah, shut up, Mary. Shut up.
No, shut up.
Shut up in your face. So we went to the dentist for nothing at the end of the day.
No, they clean it. They charge 240.
You paid with the Visa.
Yeah.
Okay, the Visa I paid yesterday, so it was at 0.
Try to take water and salt you give me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I do it until the snow go away.
Hi, good morning, good evening. Magandang buhay sa inyong lahat. Lola Nimpa is outside in the snowstorm again. Ayan oh. Wow. It's snowstorm in Montreal. Very windy. Expecting 20 centimeter of snow. Ayan. But Lola Nimpa is outside. We went shopping. See how it is outside now. Very, very cold. It's -12. We are at the front of the store, the Chinese store. Yeah. Snowstorm in Montreal. America, America.
Please no go.
Quiet. Oh, a big truck. A big truck. Look at all those trees. It doesn't look like it's gonna survive again. How come I don't see the evergreen in this side? Here is green, here is dark. Oh, there is the evergreen. Oh! Huh! Huh!
Text message.
Text or say Fido, I think.
That we're
Welcome
out
to the
there.
United States.
Ah!
You're gonna pay $12 for the day.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They let you know
If,
that you're
if you use it, it's $12. If you don't use it,
still $12.
oh,
Yeah. Because I let
She let her
my
open.
thing open.
the roaming.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
roaming. She left it
Okay.
open. She would have closed it, so they cannot charge you.
Alors ici, Fido, bienvenue aux États-Unis. Votre forfait complet
Hmm?
Fido nomade.
No. Vuoi aprire la finestra?
No, di correct.
No, era The window no, it's col telefono, perché siamo negli Stati Uniti,
Ok.
ti fanno come una lunga distanza che devi pagare.